Honey, maybe we should just call it a night.
You go ahead. I gotta finish these centerpieces and rearrange the seating chart. Yes.
Hello.
Mom, now is not the time.
I just want to ask, is that genetics or is it like Pilates? We got you a gift. It's your something borrowed. Brings you good luck, except for Uncle Greg, who ended up decapitated on that forklift. But that's not the knives' fault.
Oh, someone just left that in the bathroom.
You invited your ex? Looks like he's leading a porn safari.
Oops, he forgot to button his shirt all the way up.
Is it time for dinner?
You look so much better than the rest of us.
I think the left boob is slightly lower than the right boob.
Something doesn't feel right.
There are pirates outside, and they took everybody hostage. Here's the plan. I'll trap them in the net.
Spray him in the eyes. It won't work.
Why?
Too many steps. See, that's why you only have a plan with one step.
Not once did I wonder if I'd be walking handcuffed through the jungle with a live grenade.
Sir, give me the grenade, sir. I got it.
Oh, you got it!
I got it.
You got it!
I got it.
Okay.
Are you dead?
We're gonna fix this. That dress is growing on me.
Wanted something less traditional.
Nobody with my family.
Don't you let go!
Stop shooting your sister!
Carol, thank you for the cake knife. I freaking love this cake knife.